Welcome to our channel. If you want to reduce data usage while streaming on the Spectrum app, enabling Data Saver mode is a great option. Follow these instructions to activate it. Step 1. Open the Spectrum TV app on your smartphone, tablet, or streaming device. Step 2. Log into your Spectrum account using your username and password if you're not already logged in. Step 3. Tap on your profile icon or the menu button, usually located in the top right or top left corner of the screen. Step 4. Navigate to Settings or App Settings from the menu options. Step 5. Look for Data Saver, Data Usage, or Streaming Quality options in the Settings menu. Step 6. Tap on Data Saver mode and toggle the switch to turn it on. This will reduce the video quality to save mobile data. Step 7. You may see additional options to customize your data settings, such as low, medium, or high quality. Select low for maximum data savings. Step 8. If you want to enable Data Saver mode only when using mobile data and not Wi-Fi, look for the Use Data Saver on Wi-Fi option and turn it off. Step 9. Save your changes and start streaming. The app will now use less data by lowering the video quality. Step 10. Monitor your data usage through your device settings or mobile carrier app to see the difference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.